Hi guys, welcome to Rad Dad Toolbox. Today we're going to be talking BMW. BMWs are great cars, they're engineered really well, but the feeling is they just cost, and feeling actuality is they cost a ton to maintain. At least that's the perception. Well, today we're going to blow that out of the water. We're going to begin pecking away at that idea and showing you how to own a BMW very affordably. So today I'm actually going to share an example with you on my wife's BMW and kind of an example of how you can save money. It was an $1,875 repair quoted at the dealer. I did it for about 150 bucks. So this is going to be fun. So anyway, stay tuned. And if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you would, please pound the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And let's get started. Guys, welcome back. Let's talk BMW today. Let's start with this idea. BMW equals big money to maintain. So that's the story of today's Rad Dad Toolbox episode. BMWs equal big money to maintain. Well, I'm telling you, no, they do not. And I can show you some tricks, some hacks to allow you to own a BMW and not spend all that freaking money. It begins with not going to the dealership. Now, if you bought a BMW and it's a late model BMW and you're under warranty, please go to the BMW dealer, have a nice cup of coffee and a donut, and let them pay the money. But when they're out of warranty, everybody's scared of them, and they don't need to be. They don't need to be, because there's hacks to allow you to maintain a BMW for what I like to say is Honda Accord, plus or minus a Honda Accord maintenance type of expense. Let me explain. I'm going to start with a story. My wife had a 2006, this has been some time ago, but she had a 2006 BMW X3, nice little SUV, gets good mileage, it's all-wheel drive, and a great little car. And it had a ton of miles on it. And she went to go get a drink one day, and she came out and she sat with her nice designer jeans, drinking her drink, and she smelled something burning. And it was burning a hole through the leather seat, through the heating element, and it actually started to catch her designer jeans on fire. She smelled it burning. So she was really concerned. She came back to me and I said, well, let's see if BMW will stand behind this, because that's pretty scary. And it could have just been an anomaly, and it could have happened to any manufacturer. So I'm not trying to shade BMW on that particular issue. But I went to the dealer and I went to find out if they would stand behind it. Well, they said, nah, it's too old. We won't stand behind that. And you know, I don't blame them. I have other things to worry about in my life. But while I was there, I was really curious because there was a little vibration in the front driveline. I could feel it. I knew what it was, but I kind of wanted to see what the BMW dealer would charge for this repair. And so they said, hey, can I get you a drink and have a seat and we'll get right back to you. And shoot, about 15 minutes later, they had a big old list, and it had this and this and this and this. And check this out. They wanted to charge me, and I don't know if you can see that very good, big old list of everything they were going to do. They were going to charge me $1,875 to repair this X3. And I just went, whoa, whoa. So check it out. I was able to go on eBay, love eBay, went on eBay, and I bought the part for 75 bucks. I could have put it in myself. I was kind of busy. I had a friend put it in, and he charged me 75 bucks. So I got done what they were going to charge me $1,875 for. I was able to get done for $150. I could have done it for $75 had I done it myself. So this is how you can begin to get a light on how to save money with your BMW. The key is getting your own parts. The key is Don't pay dealership labor prices. I've seen them as much as $140, $150, $160 an hour. Find a good BMW mechanic that's got his own shop that might charge you as little as 80 bucks an hour. Bring your own parts, and this is how you save. So I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of different videos as it relates to BMWs because I like them. Most people don't. They're scared spitless of them, but there's some really good models and there's some really easy ways to take care of it. In a future video, I'm going to talk about a 5 Series that I ran up to about 230,000 miles. And by the way, this is the 5 Series X-Drive. I sold it to my son, and he ran it up to about 265, and then he just sold it to another family member. It has 278,000 miles on it, original miles on the engine, on the transmission, close to zero problemos. No problems. And so that'll be in a future video, but tune in for BMW stuff. I'm a big BMW fan. We have a lot of them, or owned a lot of them in the past. My wife currently drives a newer model X5. We really like them, but there's little tricks to take care of them and little tricks to save you big bucks. So tune in next time. And by the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Yeah, baby. And if you haven't hit the like button, pound it, please. It helps the algorithm. And check out my other videos whenever you get a second, and fun stuff, everything from how to shave like a boss to how to fix your iPhone in less than 5 minutes to how to save a pile of money when you own a BMW and get long life out of it. So thanks again for joining us today, and until next time.